guys, welcome back to our channel. We're going to give you some inspiration on different classes you can do outside of just the regular 101 today. So a little bit of biz talk.
Yeah.
Different classes are really good to offer for people who are already members too. It gets people out, it gets them inspired to use maybe new oils they haven't tried yet, or use their oils in a different way, or even just use their oils, because some people buy the oils and then they forget how to use them.
That's the saddest thing, when oils aren't being used.
I know.
It breaks my heart.
By doing different classes, it just kind of showcases maybe problems that some people might be dealing with. So someone might see Oil 101 class, but they may not relate that in their brain to their pain management unless they actually attend. But if you word the class or gear the class towards pain management, it might inspire, Deborah to go.
Deborah's gonna go. And stepping outside of oils.
Yeah, and stepping outside just the oil box. Yeah. I think a lot of people focus on that, especially the people that sign up for ER. They seem to forget that there's so much more to Young Living than just the oils. And it gets hard if you're only ordering oils every month. You kind of tend to, reach kind of a point where you don't really know what to get next. So these classes kind of help people
inspire.
Yeah, get inspired.
Yeah.
What are some of the classes you like to do?
Some of the ones that we already have done, one of our favorites has been the Lucy Libido class. We had so much fun doing it. We served some margaritas, some wine, and we talked about all things female sexual health and hormones and libidos and aphrodisiac related. It was
we just had fun with it.
Fun.
We had so much fun. Yeah. It's good. It's a really good way to help people that are struggling with their libido or have hormonal imbalances. This is a really fun and safe way to offer a class to help people.
Most of the people were already members, but some of the people weren't. So for the people that weren't, we kind of included like a mini 101.
Yeah.
Just so that they knew safety in oils, purity, why Young Living, basically. I think that's always important to always include a mini 101 with any class that you do.
Yeah, and then we link back to the starter kit as well, just to show people different ways to use those oils too, right?
Yeah.
So another way that you can kind of step outside the 101 box is to offer different seasonal classes. So for example, this summer I hosted some ditch and switch classes for making your own summer products, such as a bug repellent, a bug bite roller. So that was something we kind of focused on in the summer. For the winter, you can, or even in the fall, you can do like immune support. So for the immunity classes, we really talk about things like using your thieves, making a thieves throat spray, diffusing it, RC, chest rubs, all kinds of things. Back to school is a really crazy season. Everybody seems to get sick. We push the immunity roller.
And then another couple of things that you can include for a back to school class would be things like vetiver, things that help with focus and attention for kiddos that are struggling. Using some of the omega-3 supplements and the probiotics, all stuff that helps with brain function and keeping the immune system strong. We kind of tied in an immune and back to school / back to work class. So we talked about ways to support the immune system and to help kids in school. We talked about the Thieves hand purifier, Ningxia as a way to replace your multivitamin and your antioxidant supplements.
And then we've got Christmas coming up. We're going to be hosting some seasonal classes for that. We're going to be doing like a mocktail cocktail class for Ningxia, different Christmas gifts and ideas, just kind of stepping outside the 101 box. It's great to do that because, like Sarah mentioned, it gets people interested in other oils. It gets people interested in adding more to their monthly orders.
And then a few more class ideas for inspiration for you guys and some things that we have in the works. Things like doing a Savvy Minerals makeup night, a girls' night to start playing around with some of the makeup, using some of the art skincare line. That's a really great way to show people that there's so much more beyond the oils. There's makeup, there's cleansers, there's moisturizers, there's serums, there's so much. So that's something that we were thinking of doing maybe after the Christmas season, kind of like a girls only de-stress class, maybe we'll have an esthetician come in and do little massages and nails, who knows. And then Sarah had a really good idea about doing a pain management class, and this one I think would be a huge hit for anyone in the athletic world, anyone who's suffering from any kind of autoimmune condition like arthritis. And that's really good because you can tie that back into the starter kit with
there's lots
Hanaway,
in there,
Cobaiba, Peppermint, Frank, Northern Lights, like so many ways to bring in the 101.
I think too, with these types of classes, it kind of inspires you as the host to think outside the box of not always having a class at a house. For example, we utilize Leigh's connections in the health industry and had some classes at health food stores. Sarah has connections with someone in the fitness industry, so she's done some yoga classes. And then
and we don't even have access to a yoga studio. We were doing them in the park throughout the summer.
I don't think we'll ever pay for a space for a class.
Exactly. So it just kind of helps you think, okay, who can I help? And how can I gear that class to that audience? You got this, boss babes.
Yeah.
So we hope that inspires you guys to think outside the 101. We would love to hear some of the classes that you guys have hosted. Down below, leave us a comment and let us know something that wasn't a 101 that you hosted or attended. And I think we're probably going to upload a couple of our classes that aren't 101. So if you guys would like to see that, give us a thumbs up on this video and we'll get that up for you guys as soon as possible.
Thanks so much.
Bye.